Moving on now, significant rise in nationwide COVID cases due to more contagious Omicron subvariant in the United States. And this has triggered a U.S. federal judge to announce on Monday that the court is now scrapping the mask mandate for public transport that was imposed earlier by the Biden administration. The U.S. district judge said that the mask mandate exceeds the statutory authority of Center for Disease Control, or the CDC, and that the federal agency does not have any valid reasons to continue with the COVID curbs. Ms. L, who is an appointee of the former Republican President Donald Trump, issued her ruling in a lawsuit filed in July 2021 by a conservative non-profit organization called the Health Freedom Defense Fund. The mandate that required face masks on all public transport was recently extended by the CDC amid a spike in COVID cases in the country. The United States has now reported a 7-day average of nearly 35,000 new infections as of Friday, which is a 36% increase from the last 2 weeks' figures. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki, meanwhile, has called the ruling a disappointing decision while addressing the reporters on Monday. Psaki said that federal agencies are now addressing the court's ruling and that the Justice Department will now determine whether it will appeal it or not.
The CDC recommended continuing the order for additional time, 2 weeks, to be able to assess the latest science in keeping with its responsibility to protect the American people. So this is obviously a disappointing decision. The CDC continues recommending wearing a mask in public transit.
The U.S. Transportation Security Administration has now said that it will not enforce the mask mandate on public transportation from now on. The court's ruling has also prompted major U.S. airlines to quickly drop the mask requirement as well. United Airlines said in a statement that face masks were no longer required on domestic flights, but passengers and crews can, however, go for one if they wish. Other carriers like Delta Airlines and Alaska Airlines also made similar announcements. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.